Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. As Father's Day is around the corner, I am making a Father's Day card. For this I have taken a black color paper which I have folded into half, and then using a ruler and a pencil I am marking a line as shown, and now I am going to cut along the line. Next I have taken a piece of white A4 paper. I am applying glue and then I am going to stick this inside the card. And now to decorate the front part of the card, I have taken a small piece of paper on which I am going to write Best Dad. And then I am going to cut out along the outline. And now I am going to stick this to the card. I had this star shaped sequence which I am going to stick to the card to make it look more beautiful. I'm just writing Happy Father's Day on one side and a message below. I'm so grateful for all your guidance and wisdom. You really are the best dad. And now I'm going to stick the same star shaped sequence on the inside part as well. And that's it. Our Father's Day card is ready. I thought I'll make it more dark. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.